What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Caspians. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Just another banger of a Kaspa video, nothing but bullish Kaspa content. You guys already know how it goes, man. I really appreciate all the support. You know you're gonna have haters along the way, but it's cool. My style of video may not fit with a lot what other people would like to tune into, but we still growing along the way, man. You know, and all the people that do support, I really appreciate it. Like, words can't express how much I appreciate y'all. So if you hold Kaspa, you a Caspian, you're new to the channel, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Kaspa and myself will be in the description. And I gotta say, man, I gotta say, the content creators are waking up. The people that, you know, doubted the project, the people that laughed at the project at first, they're turning around, and we're talking the big ones, okay? We're talking the huge content creators with huge subscriber counts, man. But before we get into that, let's see if Cash breaks out and breaks this 4 cents so we could get BitBoy to ape in the Kaspa, man, to buy Kaspa and long-term hold this. We can see it's up 4.2%, and it's looking like it's ready to break out, guys. The uptrend is right there for you guys to see, man. And you know, once it gets above 4 cents, y'all already know BitBoy Crypto is buying into Cash, right? 1.4 million subscribers on YouTube, BitBoy Crypto, right? 1.4 million subscribers, one of the biggest crypto channels in the space, man. I hope to get to that level one day, actually. But yeah, guys, super crazy uptrend for Cash, and I wouldn't be surprised we break out from that 4 cent. $790 million in market cap, just under 27 million in 24-hour trade volume. Hard luck go home, dude says. Just chilling, waiting for the hype to cool off. This needs to dip ASAP. Organic dippage, natural corrections is healthy for any project. Nothing pumps forever. Maybe 3 cent. I'm okay with a 3 cent cast, to be honest. Okay, so he's looking for 3 cent to get in. Okay. You don't, obviously you buy red days. You know, it's not good to FOMO into, you know, it's not good to FOMO into green days. So I'm never gonna tell anybody to get in the cast, excuse me, at these levels. But I will say, just look for an entry. Just like Hard Lord Go Home dude says, 3 cents, that's his entry. And you know, that's when he starts to get exposure. That's a smart move to make, right? DZW, will Kaspa break 4 cents? I wouldn't be surprised. Guy 3, I'm bullish on Cash. Sleeps, will the price dip again or a good time to buy now? See, that's on you, Sleeps, because you just never know with Cash, man. But there will be corrections, obviously. There, you know, there will be corrections along the way, but it's never gonna drop as deep as people may expect, right? I think this is gonna be the deepest it drops back here, right? A month ago, man. And it's August now, man. Man, time is flying by so fast, guys. Don't you agree how fast time is flying? The year is almost over, guys. Like 2025, most people think that's far away, but that's gonna come like in a blink of an eye. That's gonna happen, man. So, you know, now's the time more than ever to make sure your investments are on point, guys. Bitvestor, Cash will be a payment model of the future, preparing its way to be adopted as an alternative to Visa or MasterCard. Y'all already saw the video I did with Cash versus Visa. Let me scroll down right here, and we saw a speed test for Cash versus Visa, man. And that's, if that was any sign to show that Cash could compete with these previous financial systems, I don't know what else could be a sign for you, man. Built within the true Bitcoin principles and an exciting future when it can be integrated with smart contracts and Rust. Don't let this one go. It's not even a blockchain. It's a new technology called BlockDAG, aka DAG Knight. Do your own research. When you grab Cash as a part of your portfolio, you are making the future yours. I'm telling you. 100 bill in 2 years market. Jeez, 100 bill market cap would put us at $5, right? Jeez, Alpha, I like the way you think. Deepa K, Cash has huge potential to change the crypto world. If BTC is the father of crypto, then Cash is the mother. Or, you know, if Bitcoin is digital gold, Cas is digital silver. I like that analogy a lot more. I say next big exchange incoming. We got to talk about that. I got a tweet pulled up literally about that as well. And, you know, we're just going through some CMC replies. I love the Kaspa community. You know, I know the Kaspa community tunes in. So if you guys see yourself in the video, be like, yo, thanks for the shout out, right? From Leif, this project has great potential with what DAG is offering, and the speed of transactions execution would be next to BTC. Have been invested in this and not thinking to sell anytime soon. Smart, very smart. Crypto Willpower, I came today to let everyone know I could smell 10 cents within the new listing. It would be Bybit or BitGet, so more traders can join futures market, and because of traders, Cas will not see 0.2s for now. At least not until miners dump at the beginning of the next bear cycle in 2025 or 2026. LFG. 45 King, you must hold it until 2025. From Jim Skiba, what if Kaspa actually is chosen one of this coming bullish cycle, going from $0 market cap to 100 billion plus market cap and a top 10 or top 5 ranking? Many will be late and pay premium once it's undeniable. Can't speak. Those who have the conviction below 1 bill market cap get the early bird discount, and that is a fact, man. We got a video from Captain Sass, Monero founder Ricardo Spagni, saying the Cas founder Spectre is interesting technology. Cas is the same research line, but the same OG academics who introduced Ghost, which is used in ETH plus Spectre Phantom and now Ghost DAG. Let's take a look.
We'd all struggle with that level of traffic and transaction volume. No one's ready for it. And so scaling prematurely by just ramping up block sizes, unfortunately, it might buy you some time, but it doesn't mean that you're going to be ready for that level of volume. On the other hand, you have the whole DAG and, you know, Spectre and all those sort of technologies, which are really interesting. We'd also...
Hey, right there, man. You guys heard it. You guys heard it. This is the Monero founder, Ricardo Spagni. Right? Speaking about DAG and Ghost, man. Bullish, absolutely bullish. Moon King. There are two possibilities for Cas here. The first is the double bottom and a retrace to the green levels. Second is a short lateral movement and a continuation to the heavens. So this is what BitBoy was speaking about. BitBoy might be on point with his TA. This is in the previous video, you know, that I uploaded, guys. He was saying once Cas breaks that 4 cent mark, he's gonna get in because it looks like a double top here. A lot of people are saying this is a cup and handle pattern. If it's a cup and handle pattern, this would be the cup, and then it would retrace back down to this green line to form the handle, and then break out to go for new all-time highs, right? We'll see what happens, guys. Kaspa news. We are proud to be a part of the Kaspa community, which has the strongest unity among the communities. Caspians, man, you guys are freaking based. You guys are the best, and you know, keep crushing it. Keep crushing it. Michael Sutton. After 4 long months, we are thrilled to finally unveil the initial benchmarks for Cas on Rust. What? It's here. There's still a long way to go, but they seem to be going beyond our expectations. TLDR is that 30 BPS has never seemed more within reach. The plot shows block processing. 30 BPS has never been more, never seemed more within reach. The speeds, man. This will make Cas the fastest proof of work blockchain in the entire crypto verse. That's freaking crazy. Oh, right here, as scanner, Cas CEX listing fund is now fully 100%. Now fully 100%, guys. So the new CEX listing is incoming for Cas, man, and this is all crowdfunding. Crowdfunded, no VCs, no people, you know, no insiders, no huge money that, you know, has a huge bag of Kaspa and just dumps on us. None of that, man. This is all crowdfunded by the base Kaspa community. Super bullish. Jim Skibum, like I said, cup and handle. Yep, cup and handle forming. And his target is a cup and handle to 14 cents once the 4 cent mark is broken. Jeez Louise. I had another tweet. Oh, here it is. This is the tweet I wanted to see. Jim Ski Bum, is happening. Big influencers are definitely taking notice of Kaspa. 2 within the last week are Max Kaiser and into the cryptoverse. Y'all already know Benjamin Cowan. Y'all know Benjamin Cowan, bro. Y'all know Max Kaiser. Max Kaiser is a huge Bitcoin maxi. You see him in all them Bitcoin memes. 784k subscribers, man. Benjamin Cowan. Cohen? I'm not sure how to pronounce his last name. But yeah, Benjamin, who got all the Benjamins, taking notice of Kaspa, man. Terrorist coins are prohibited in ES. Try to buy. See, Max Kaiser was hating on Kaspa before in the past, and now look at all of them. Look at all of them. Benjamin Cohen or Cowan right here. Benji. I'm just say Benjamin. Look at this chart. They can't ignore a chart like that. That's the thing. They just can't ignore a chart like that, man. First they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, then you win. Cas against BTC. Cas is literally the only altcoin up exponentially against Bitcoin right now, man. We take a look at the broader market. Bitcoin was just below 29,000. It was at 28,900. It's back above 29. But all the other altcoins are pretty much stagnant. The only one that's really making any waves is Kaspa, man. We got a nice write-up from Crypto Coin Finances. I'll probably check it out in the next video, man. Video kind of stretched on a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna check this out in the next video. And we got another tweet here from Kaduna. Somebody I follow that be making some nice calls on social media. Cas only needs 11% gain to make a new all-time high. Vitalik and Charles Hoskinson, we're talking about Kaspa's founder, Jonathan Sampoliski. The reason why most will fade Kas is people focus on the left side of the chart. Why are the current holders not selling? Because we have a good idea what will come on the right side of the chart. It's a good point, man. People are focused on how high it's up, so they're thinking it's gonna crash down. I learned my lesson with Pepe. I learned my lesson with Pepe, man. I know I shouldn't compare Kas to a meme coin, but you know, I could have got a much better entry on Pepe and made more gains off Pepe if I got in. You know, if I got in not thinking like it's gonna crash back down, right? Just taking that risk, right? Sometimes you gotta take risks, man. That's all crypto is about, taking risks, and then you get rewarded for that, man. Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Really appreciate the support once again. Really do appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, make it go viral. Benjamin Cohen, Max Kaiser, taking notice of Kas. Okay, that doesn't speak volumes. I don't know what does. Let's get this video to 10,000 views. Support the channel further by becoming a channel member or joining the Patreon. Really appreciate you guys. Thanks again for all the support. Like, comment, subscribe. Can't stress that enough. It's free. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.